What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton, and today we're gonna do a sour snack. I'm gonna teach you how to make the sauce. This is sour mango, green mango, and this is the sour plum. So we're gonna mix up some sauce to go with these sour deliciousness. First off, we're gonna do some sugar, probably like two tablespoons of sugar. And then we have this red chili, homemade, grind, homegrown. So with no label, you know it's dangerous. So we're gonna put some of this red chili in there. Red chili pepper, freshly grown. Smells spicy. Put some of that. Mouth watering watching this. And then we're gonna chop up some garlic with my handy dandy knife. Crush this garlic up. And cut it really fine so you know you don't want to get big chunks of garlic in your mouth. But if you don't like garlic, this one's optional. So put garlic in there. Then our main ingredient is fish sauce. Yes, Asian people love fish sauce. Put about, I don't know, like quarter cup. Then we mix it up. Right here, mix it up real good. You see that? Man, that's the sauce right there. Let's try the plum first. This green plum. Here we go. See that? Just taste the sourness in it. It's sour, but the sauce is delicious. Fried mango. Sour mango. Yum, yum. You gotta peel it first. This is gonna be sour. So, let's do this here. I'm gonna cut a slice off. A big slice. Hear that? some more of this plum. So good. You gotta try this sauce out. It's good, delicious. Well guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you try the sauce out. Subscribe, push the like button. All right, see you next time. Bye.